Hi, Srivali.
Hi, Shanti.
So today we plan to discuss about the e-commerce application which is running in Azure. Planning to attempt a solution design for one of the modules which is e-commerce customer support
Mm-hmm.
conversion from uh, Azure ML into Azure ML, from
Mm-hmm.
normal Azure Cloud to Azure ML practices.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for that, the current setup is it has got the functionalities, help desk, ticketing and ticketing system,
Mm-hmm.
utilize it for managing customer queries and issues. So normally that is the support function, queries answering and issues resolution, like L1 support or whatever you say. Return and refund management. So customer retention also they need to maintain. They need to maintain the refund management also. If somebody cancels the order on
Mm-hmm.
e-commerce, their responsibility to refund that.
Mm-hmm.
Handling returns and refunds for customer.
Mm-hmm.
Pardon?
No, no, nothing. Yeah.
Handling returns and refunds for customer orders. These are
Yeah.
the main functionalities. Then Azure migration plan, what we used is like Azure App Service, it contains hosting platform for web applications, ensuring scalability and reliability.
Yeah.
Why web applications are required Azure? Because it is a it is on deployed on web access.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason directly we suggested to use web apps, Azure web apps.
Mm-hmm.
Then Azure functions are serverless compute service for event-driven applications, enabling seamless execution of small and focused functions. Serverless computer is one of the functions for generating automated events, um, event, event-driven app will have the events, right? So
Mm-hmm.
customer queries or something like that also
Mm-hmm.
is part of the support.
Mm-hmm.
And ML implementation plan is you need to do sentiment analysis for customer support. What it contains objective is enhance customer service by automatically categorizing and prioritizing support tickets based on sentiment.
Mm-hmm.
Here, if you see, sentiments are you got one equipment, one phone. Assume that iPhone you booked it.
Mm-hmm.
iPhone got damaged. It is
Yeah.
not switching on. It is not powering on basically.
Mm-hmm.
Then you got surprised and you wrote it. I'm really panic about this set what I got from Amazon,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm feeling very depressive about this product coming from Amazon. Like that, you wrote it.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a sentiment kind of feedback given to Amazon.
Yeah.
Then the ML application is going to analyze it under sentiment analysis, and it prioritizes that ticket to resolve it first.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If you
Mm-hmm.
write a normal message, they will not come for the calls, right?
Yeah.
If you write such kind of thing, oh, this customer is hurted. Oh, why don't we finish this call first? They'll feel.
Mm-hmm.
So that is one activity. It is being done by the ML sentiment analysis, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah.
steps are what to build this particular setup. Data collection is required. Gather historical customer support ticket data with associated sentiments. It means if you want to work with sentiment analysis kind of customers,
Mm-hmm.
you need first collect their data. How you are going to collect it? With positive sentiment, negative sentiment, neutral sentiment. These are
Mm-hmm.
the categories we
Yeah.
discussed in the past sessions also, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that is the data collection reason.
Yeah.
Now, data processing is what it involves clean and pre-processed test data
Yeah.
by removing stop words, punctuation, and performing tokenization. It means whatever they give the feedback that need to be processed it under
Mm-hmm.
test data. Okay.
Yeah.
Then feature engineering is extract test features using techniques like TF, IDF, or word embeddings to present ticket content. It
Mm-hmm.
means they wrote with comments, with sentiments. But what we need to do, outcome is what? The phone is not switching on. It is not powering on. That is the customer complaint. That
Mm-hmm.
this particular test process tool or service need to convert into normal test format, normal complaint, not write, not should not write the sentiment words. So there are techniques TF and IDF. We need to see them later, but word embeddings, such kind of things need to be removed, and it need to write in the normal test to book the ticket. Basically, means it is automated with ML. This part also.
Yeah.
Right? Then model development. Train a sentiment analysis model using AZURE ML algorithms like test analytics or custom NLP models.
NLP models. Yeah.
So you are going to train the sentiment analysis data with test analytics, because if you use this, then you will get the sentiment words. With that, you are going to develop some kind of feedback, positive, negative, neutral kind of thing. Then later on, you are going to convert that text into normal way to book the ticket as a description, ticket description, right? So fine tune the model for higher accuracy in sentiment classification. So accuracy means by applying these techniques, NLP models, by developing, we are going to do fine tuning that, right? Then we will get the result. Then integration is deploy the sentiment analysis model on Azure App Service as a REST API for a real-time analysis of incoming support tickets. So this is the way we are supposed to do it for deployment. So okay, as app service. So integrate the model with help desk and ticketing system to automatically tag and prioritize tickets based on sentiments. It means this is all completely automated with ML without reading the content, without entering the description of the ticket by the front desk guy. System is automated it with ML implementation
Yeah.
for the customer support tickets, right? This is a real business requirement. Okay. So what we will do, we will go through later on other sections. Now our requirement is this one. Let us stick on to this particular um, requirement only. We'll drill down for Azure level, Azure screen options level. Then later on we'll come back and discuss that part also separately, right? So we'll stop the call for this part. I don't want to take many functions and discuss. Not like that. One by one, we can go through.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah.